Hello, my name is E. I am a very passionate sewist and I love to create my own clothing. The other day I saw an ad on Antropologies and for this really cute sheer dress, cute and very simple sheer dress that I challenged myself to create it for me because it's really expensive. So I like to replicate it for myself. I use 3 meter of this really cute fabric that I got from my local spotlight store. You can use any cotton fabric that is medium to lightweight. I'm quite new to sewing, so please leave a comment down below if I did any mistakes. So that I can learn from guys. Happy sewing! You'll need your good old sewing machine, measuring tape, elastic threads, 2 meter of fabrics, safety pins, and fabric scissors. To make this dress, we will be cutting out one big rectangle. To measure out the width, you just need to measure your chest area really tight and times 1.7. There is a width and length is measure from a little above your chest and until the length that you require. For pockets, cut one piece 12 inches width and 7 inches high. For me, my fabric is not long enough, so I cut 2 pieces, one for borders and one for the skirt. Then I will join back together. Okay, let's start by hemming the highlighted part, and I will shear about 9 inches of the fabric. Okay, let's start by pressing the hem. Start sewing the double folded hem. Now I will draw straight lines for me to do the shirring. Even though my fabric has a guideline, I will still do the drawings because it's easier for me to just follow the lines. Wind the bobbin with elastic threads by hand and replace in your bobbin socket in the machine. And change your stitch length to 3.5. Normally it's 2.5 and tension to 6.
Six and a half hours later.
Guys, it took me a while to reach this stage. Yeah, so bear in mind, it will take a while. Okay, I top stitch on the loose threads on the side seam. I move on to the bottom part only because my one is separate pieces. If you guys didn't separate the bodice piece and skirt piece, then you are almost done. I'm hemming the side of the skirt and did the gathering stitches because I like it to be gathered a bit dramatically. To do the gathering stitches, you just need to change the stitch length to longest length and just 2 stitches on top of the skirt piece. Then so you will have 4 threads on one side, right? What you will need to do is you just pull the top thread to make the gathers. Then I try on the skirt and make sure that it's 6 or 7 inches space left in your hip. Then I tie all the loose end and cut the extra threads. Okay, now I'm stitching the bodice and the skirt piece together. So what I did is just pull a little bit on the skirt piece and stitch right side together. After that, just sew the side seam and you are done. To make shoulder strap, put on the dress first, then find the location where you want the strap to be and put some pin, and then measure it like this. For me it's 15 inches 1/5 and plus 1 inch seam allowance. For the width of the strap, I used 2.5 inches. You can basically I eyeball it. You can use whatever width you want it to be. Then use safety pins to draw inside out. And press it. Okay, just now we have marked the place that where you want the strap to be, so we will just stitch on the inside. Again, try it on and see if it's loose. For me it's a bit loose, so I need to adjust. After the left strap is adjusted, move on to the right. So I just measure the front strap place to the side seam and copy the same measurement to the right side. And the back as well. Okay, can try on. This turned out very cute. Then we need to move on to pockets. I did the double folded hem first. Okay, after that, I'll change the bobbin to elastic thread back and change. Please remember to change the tension and stitch length and do the shirring. After that, after you have done the shirring part, then cut the long pieces into 2 pieces. After that, I press and fold the left side and right side and bottom. To locate the place where I want to put my pockets to be, I just eyeball it and see it in the mirror that where I want it to be and pin it. I'm struggling to not poke my thigh with the pin. The other side. Okay, after that just top stitch the left side, right side and the bottom for the pockets. Okay, it's all done. The pockets are so cute. guys, how did I do? Thank you for watching my video. Please leave a comment, like and subscribe. Happy sewing.